Good afternoon, I'm Jeff Lyons. It is Saturday at 2:30 here, May the 2nd, Derby Day. The Derby, of course, starts here in a little while, just before 6 o'clock. We will have no 6 o'clock newscast on 14. We will be doing an abbreviated streaming newscast around 6:30, so you can catch that here. Barbara Ballinger will have all the headlines and what's going on around the tri-state, and I'll have an updated weather forecast for you too. Well, I'll be honest with you, Saturday has been a little drippier than maybe I advertised yesterday. I really thought this mess would kind of be out of here by now, but we still have cloudy skies and some sprinkles showing up out there. We are looking, though, toward the next couple of hours for things to kind of dry out. And then we're going to cool overnight as skies clear. For tomorrow, it's going to get warmer, and we will have sun, I promise. Temperatures will rise to near 70, and then Monday closer to 80. Thunderstorms will be possible then Tuesday through Thursday. So that's the groundwork for the forecast this week. Let's look at what's happening now. And it was cool. Now, I said it would be chilly out there today, but the fly in the ointment with the forecast has been stubborn showers. I thought they would kind of come and go pretty quickly. Not the case. We've had kind of off and on rain pretty much all morning. Most of those showers now centered over southern Union County, most of Webster County, and a bit of Hopkins County too. No lightning strikes out there, and I'm not aware of any. I've been watching the radar here kind of off and on during the morning and getting some chores done around the house, but we are seeing those stubborn clouds continuing to stream in and some breaks out there too. So we will get intervals of sunshine kind of scattered in. Maybe it should have been scattered sunshine with a chance of rain. But you see how things have progressed here across the area. And I think I can show you how much rain we've had. It has been just a minor amount here. We'll go ahead and just do rainfall for the last 12 hours because we had some of this that came in overnight, and that will take just a minute to populate here on my screen. But less than 1/10 of an inch of rain easily, and that thing takes a long time, doesn't it? So the blue areas you see here, the radar estimate for rain in there is around 1/2 inch. Now that might be a little overdone, as sometimes the radar overestimates rainfall amounts. The bottom line, though, is that these showers continue to rotate around an area of low pressure that is diving down toward Tennessee. So we should be out of the rain here very soon, already across southern Indiana and Illinois. Western Kentucky, another hour or two. I should have gone back there. Let's see what it's doing over in Louisville. I think if everything goes according to Hoyle here, they'll get the Derby off without rain there, or at least not heavy rainfall that would disrupt the Derby. No thunderstorms or anything, but kind of like here, just unsettled with a few scattered showers. All right, looking ahead, Sunday's going to be really nice. Once we get all this stuff out of here, we will remain clear overnight. It will get chilly down into the upper 30s, and then tomorrow that southerly wind will kick in, and that'll help push our temperature back closer to 70 by the afternoon. We do have more rain coming in, kind of like what we had this morning. It'll be scattered showers and maybe some thunder late tomorrow night, and that will persist through the overnight hours before exiting before sunrise on Monday morning. Monday, mainly sunny by the afternoon as a second cold front swings through. Then we have a day of high pressure followed by active weather for the middle of the week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You see showers and storms beginning to mount up there to the west, and those will be pushing in on Tuesday in particular. That's our best chance of thunderstorms. Right now, there's no outlook for severe weather. We could have some thunder, but we're not expecting widespread or even narrow spread thunderstorms for Tuesday. 81 for Monday will be the high. Then we'll pull back a bit before rising back into the upper 70s there toward the end of the weekend. And you see here through Monday and Tuesday, we get that rain back in here during the afternoon. That will continue through Tuesday night and early Wednesday. And then for the remainder of the week, we have another shot of rain, perhaps late Wednesday night. and again some showers over the weekend. So really an unsettled map here coming our way, or unsettled weather pattern. Rain potential, and this again was with the GFS model, which sometimes overdoes rain estimates, but showing maybe another inch or inch and a half total over the course of next week, which would be wonderful if we could get it. We're in need of rain here. Drought conditions across much of the tri-state persist. Tonight it will clear. We will drop down to 38 degrees. And then tomorrow, really nice day, the nicer of the 2 weekend days, 70 and partly sunny. And then next week, our best chance for rain is on Tuesday, 90%, and still a lingering 60% chance on Wednesday. Rest of the week, you know, kind of those hit or miss showers and storms. I guess the bigger news is that we're going to stay below normal on the temperatures through the middle of the month. That would get us up to May the 16th. And our rain potential is at least average across the area. Now, May tends to be a wet month, as you know. Usually around 4.5 to 5 inches of rain will fall during the month. We are back on Facebook today. We had trouble getting on Facebook yesterday, some technical glitch. So we'll see if anybody has any questions. I doubt there were any. Chris Smith wants to know where we were last night. Well, I was here. I was talking to myself. You know, if you don't see me on Facebook, but you got the notification, you can always get us on YouTube or the 14First Alert app, 14 Weather app, the news app rather, and then on 14news.com. So we stream on multi-platforms, but occasionally Facebook will throw a shoe and won't let us on. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, it wasn't for lack of trying. Okay, Zach Seats, good afternoon. Any concerns about widespread severe weather yet? No, I don't think so. At least not next week. It's not stacked up like it was last week, and even last week was kind of a bust because the atmosphere was capped. But this week, Tuesday looks like the best day, best chance for some showers and thunderstorms. Again, there will be no 6 p.m. newscast today because of the Kentucky Derby, and we will have an abbreviated newscast at 6:30. That'll be on streaming only, so you'll see it here, same place you're getting your stream now. I'll have a weather forecast there, then I'll be back with the regular 9 o'clock stream show tonight, and of course 14 News at 10. In the meantime, go out there and try to salvage the dry part of the day. Have a great afternoon, and I'll see you tonight at 6:30. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.